Number 19, we're given a table that has a number of cars and the maximum number of passengers and crew. The table shows the linear relationship between the number of cars, C, on a commuter train and the maximum number of passengers and crew, P, that the train can carry. Which equation represents the linear relationship between C and P? And if we look at all these equations, they're all very close in a lot of ways. They all have 55 as a coefficient being multiplied by something. They're all equal to either -9 or +9. The only thing that's really changing, again, is whether these are negative or positive. That's a change. And then we also have 2 of them say minus P and 2 say minus C. In that, why won't it change? There we go, to erase. And when the ones are saying minus P, they're multiplying by C. And when it's minus C, the 55 is being multiplied by P. Okay, so we could go through and plug these into each one of those equations and see which ones works. I don't think you have to go that far because C and P, so the number of cars is C and the crew is P. The maximum number of passengers and crew, I should say, is P. So either 55 is either going to be multiplied by C or P, and then the other number is subtracted, and we're going to get to either 9 or -9. So because we're getting to this number, 9 or -9, when I multiply 55 times either C or P, and then subtract this other number, these two results, 55 times C and P, or 55 times P and C, they're going to be pretty close to each other, only 9 apart. Because we're either going to get 9 or -9. Either this is going to be 9 greater than that or 9 less, and same here, or this is going to be 9 greater or 9 less. Which of those, looking at this chart up here, seems more likely? That I would multiply numbers that are in the hundreds by 55 and then just subtract 3, 5, or 10 and get 9? Not a chance, right? That's 2. That's so far apart. If I'm multiplying these, by 55, I'm going to be getting numbers in the thousands. And then I'm going to subtract 3, 5, or 10 and get back to 9? No, that's clearly unreasonable. So instead, this must be the number that's being multiplied by 55. And so that should be getting me close to these numbers over here, so that when I'm subtracting, I'll get either -9 or +9. So since I've decided that it's logical for 55 to be multiplied by C, since these numbers have got to be pretty close, only 9 apart, it's got to be either A or B. 55 times P minus C equaling -9 or +9 does not make sense. So I'm not even going to look at them. I'm not going to bother those. So now I just need to know if 55C minus P is equal to -9 or +9. And I can choose any one of these combinations up here and see what I get. So I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to say 55 times 3. 55, come on, times 3 is 165. And I don't actually even have to do the math because I know if I'm subtracting 174, 165 is smaller than 174, so I'm going to be getting a negative answer. -9. If I wanted to double check that in my calculator or by just subtracting, either way is fine. To confirm it, I could, and it is confirmed. 165 minus 174 is -9. So A is correct. A is my answer. If you really wanted to check to do one of these other ones, just to double check, it's going to give you the same thing every time. If you do 5 times 55 minus 284, 10 times 55 minus 559, you're going to get -9 in all those scenarios. Anyone you want. And there you go. Again, A is the answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.